Hello! Today I got my first swab in the mail, and I am looking so much forward to take a look at the things that Elizabeth made for me, or Tin Lizzie 444. I will include her link down below in the description box, so you can pop onto her channel and show her some love. She's already received my package, and you can look at the videos I put up here on the channel. I don't know, it's not that long ago, and I'm just so excited, and I've just opened it and I haven't picked in it. It's a really big box, and let's just get on with it. Look at this beautiful box. I love this kind of boxes. I've been envying the people who can go to Michael's and buy these pretty pattern boxes to store their crafting stuff in. So there's something in it, so I'm gonna take a peek inside. Oh my god! She actually filled it with flowers. I'm so out of words. I'm speechless. Lizzie, I think this is almost the amount of flowers I have already, so you're totally spoiling me. I really needed some flowers, and I can show you here. Here's a lot of fun variety of ribbon roses, flower buds, and all kinds of colors. Yeah, Melissa's colors here. Oh my god! You shouldn't have, Lizzie. And oh, these are so cute, adorable. These are greenish, always useful. And some white ones. I love white color. It's my favorite. Here, oh, these are so cute. Look at it. Oh, adorable. And some pink paper flowers. Love that color. And the size is very good too. And the one in lilac. And oh, a white flower. Just a white rose, my favorite. Thank you, Lizzie. This one is going to stay in my living room for me to watch, for me to look at it and remember you by, my sweet friend. And I have this variety of flowers. Look at it, it's just flower heaven. It's adorable. And here are some more. I'm gonna pick them up. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? I just love them. And these come in handy now, as it's beginning to be a fall here in Iceland. All the peoples are outside now, you know, the older people picking berries and making what's it called, to put on toasted bread and stuff. Can't remember. Here we got these beautiful white ones. Love that size. And more flowers for me. Oh, how did you know? I love flowers. And these are I've never seen these before. These must be I don't know. Is this it's very soft, like foamy flowers. I love them. I'm gonna put it with the other one. Oh, these are always beautiful. Oh my god, I never ever had a spray like that before. This is so pretty. You sold me so much of it. Oh, I'm lost for words. Totally. We got some sprays. These will look cute for Easter projects. Totally cute. And these are always so pretty. Sunflowers are so pretty. And here is something from Prima. Audrey Rose flowers. Oh, so pretty. And look at the variety of colors. Okay, I love them. And some more Prima stuff. These are just to die for. Look at the colors, and they also have some glimmer in them. All the colors in the world. So pretty. And oh, these are so cute. I think I'm gonna open it up. Look at this pink. And these. This is so pretty. And the small rosebuds with a little bit of pink in it. I love it. And the yellow ones. You see them here. Oh, it's adorable. And more paper flowers. Look at them, they are so cute. And the green color is just amazing. I haven't seen that before. I'm certainly gonna use these. And oh my god, this is just like heaven. Flower heaven. Look at all the colors she sent me. Oh, Lisa, you really shouldn't have. I mean, this is way much. This is too much. No need to send something extra. Purple ones, so pretty. These are also Prima flowers. And more Prima flowers. These are adorable. Look at the colors. And these are a lot of fun. Or like cards for children. And oh, these are really pretty. I'm gonna open it up. These rosebuds. And these, it's like cabbage rose with a hint of pink and yellow in them. So cute. These are awesome. They have a brownish tone to them. And some white spray. I can always use that too. Some pink and another pink color, and these here, love them all, Lizzie. They're so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this awesomeness. So pretty. Thank you so much, Lizzie. I'm very touched. I really appreciate all the things you're sending me. All the flowers. Look at these rosebuds. And then here are these beautiful, what's it called, daisies. Beautiful pink color. Beautiful. So I really don't know where to go on. Trying to find. Open carefully. Okay. This must be a project. Okay. I'm gonna open that one really carefully. You wrapped it up good. So. Oh, I love that one. Lizzie, you are so talented. Look at it, you guys. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Look at the flower cluster here. Oh, I love that paper line. It's amazing. Look at how she puts this tiny little pearl trim around everywhere. And this beautiful lace here. Oh, she even oh, what's it called? She used gesso here on the hinges. Looks so good. And the bottom is just such a good finish to it. It's like it's painted with white acrylic, and then she gathered the paper and decorated it. And here's also this wonderful lace put on top. And here's even some stickles on her. And this beautiful bling. And a tiny rosebud. So I can hear there's something in it. So I'm gonna open it up. And look, this is so cute. Oh, she filled it. Look inside. I really like how she finished it inside here. Beautiful flowers and a beautiful paper line. Oh my gosh. I love your work, Lizzie. I really do. I really do. Hang on a minute, I'm gonna turn on the light. So, pop the camera up a little bit. Here's this shoe and a bag. Could use that. And some beautiful flower centers. And oh, there's a lot of those. Let's see. Also glasses here. And yeah, more of each. A lot of them. Thank you. And then she's sending me all these beautiful birdies. Oh, look at how they are cute. They are so cute. Oh, look at the tails. Oh, they are just adorable. Oh. Oh. My first ever Paper Michaels dress form. I'm so happy. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you. What's that? Oh, it's a Michaels key. That one is just so beautiful. I'm gonna take it out of the bag. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? Love it. Just love it. Oh, that one is so special. I haven't seen that one before. Looks really good. I'm gonna put it right away in my candy station. One of my candy stations, at least. Another Michaels key. These keys are adorable, Lizzie. Some charms. Here's a spool and an angel and a women's purse. And here I have a Singer sewing machine. Isn't that cool? Love that. And looks like something fell out. There's a heart. Gonna show you like that. So pretty. And here are some beautiful pearl stickers. I really can use those. Love them, Lizzie. Love them. Oh my god, you know, your box is just amazing. Look at it. It's just simply amazing. I'm gonna treasure it forever. Thank you, Lizzie. It's so pretty. And your work is amazing. So and she sent me some more of these flower packs. Could be, yeah, it's to put with candles, but I can use it as flower sprays. I really like that. Thank you very much. And send me some stickers. Some more stickers. And this one. So cute. Some bling. Can always use bling, can't you? And what's this? This is Gem Line Borders. Forever in Time Scrapbook Collection Sticker Strands. So these are like, yeah, these beautiful borders. Thank you, Lizzie. And then she sent me more of these. Oh, so pretty. It's a butterfly. Another one, dragonfly here. Our cameo. Another butterfly. Flower. Another flower. Birdie. Oh my god, Lizzie, you're just totally spoiling me. You are. You just, you know, you really didn't have to. Oh. And the box is still full. Oh, you shouldn't have sent all these extras. Let's see what's else in the box. I'm gonna just take a few of them here. To put these aside. Excuse me for the noise. Now, what's in this bag? Let's take a look. Oh, it's an Ada cake. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Thank you so very much. I really can use that. And some different kinds of threads. I love that. I really can use that. Thank you. Thank you. And some tassels. Look, look. Cute, cute, cute. And what's that? Oh yeah, a pink one. In a looks like it's in a mauve pink color, like that. And oh, a pendant. Oh, this is beautiful. I haven't seen this before. Thank you, Lizzie. And it has this light pink tone to it. I hope you can see it. And there are some more bags in here. Metal accent. Oh, this one is cute. It's a pendant. Thank you. And some birdies. Cute. And she's sending me some oh, isn't that just awesome? Beautiful colors. Thank you, Lizzie. This one is so adorable. Oh, they're all so cute. Look at it. Oh. And those? Don't have any in those. But thank you for sharing. Thank you. Thank you so very much for sharing your things, Lucy. There aren't that many craft stores in Iceland, I can tell you that. Not with that much variety of things. When I go to America, I usually try to visit all the craft stores and take advantage of the lovely variety in them. This is so cute. Recollection. Love it, love it. It's beautiful. Stunning. Oh. Look at it. Beautiful lace. Oh, I love it. And the size of it is really good. And an eyelid one. Look. A ribbon. Pretty. The one in pink also. And that one. A white one. It's adorable. Thank you, Lizzie. And all the types of threads. Thank you for sharing this with me, Lizzie. Thank you. And some other pendant. Birdies. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Have to make more space on my craft desk. I am so thankful, Lizzie. Thank you so very much for thinking of my beaded compulsive behavior. I'm a bead addict. Thank you. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's in it. Oh, we all need pearls, don't we? Look at it. Isn't this just heaven? Oh, I love it. Ah, thank you, Lucy. And here is also some bead caps, also on these, and spacers, and lovely. Oh, this is so cute. Can you see it? Love, and some stick pins. I really am in need for stick pins. Thank you. Oh, and this cute rose ones. Oh, and clothespins, pink ones. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. I love the colors. Thank you. I'm gonna stop here and make a part 2. So see you in next part. Thank you.